government matter. Don't begin the shine na high onto all the matter, the one way they bile, way they share for we state for here. On top with government matter today, we get ogbonge person for we studio for T Live. She don't go many schools and she don't get ogbonge career onto wetin she sabi do. She gets bachelor's degree, that na the one wey they call BSc for computer science for Benson Idahosa University, the one wey dey for we state. She can still waka well on top the book matter. She get master's degree onto management matter, the one wey she go get for Obodo, that na Bradford University. She no make we put for only that one. She come waka put onto business and entrepreneurship matter. Now she carry that one for Clark Atlanta University. This one too, no be we side dey, na Obodo Imbo, na in that one still dey. She don make we put for many ogbonge training. She na trainer for Tomorrow Young Executive matter, wey be say she come be the winner of one future awards, the one wey dey carry give her for there. She don still receive award for the prize of youth employment. That na people wey be say they employ youth, make they for get better thing to take do with their hand. She don still write book, the one wey they call Wake Up, this one na your life, the one wey you call This Is Your Life. And na she come still throw away body put on top economic empowerment, where she tanda gidigba put as the program director of EcoBeat. This one na program where they help youth, where they community, where opportunity no dey for them to take get better thing to do for life. No wonder we state governor Mekwe put say make she tanda gidigba put as the senior special assistant to we state governor on top skills development and job creation. She na Ukinebo Dare. Mama, I greet you.
Thank you, I greet you.
Welcome to the program today. Before we begin, they go into many matter we want talk. One may you throw away shekele light on top waiting on they call Edo jobs.
Okay, as everybody don't know, say when our governor they campaign say he want to become governor of Edo State, he don't tell everybody say he could create minimum, that is at least 200,000 jobs for our state. Now Edo jobs na the avenue where you want take create those jobs and to collect those jobs. So we don't know say because to create jobs dey for the main agenda, wetin we dey call agenda, the main plan where our governor get for our state, he don make sure say every agency, every part of government dey do something or the other wey go create jobs. So for those jobs, we dey make sure say we dey keep track of all those jobs and say we dey do activities, programs, job matching. Wetin we dey call job matching na say okay, people wan employ person and they don't know where they go see the person wey they wan employ. They feel say people no dey for Edo State to do this job, make I go bring person from outside. No, with Edo jobs they make sure say if you wan employ person for Edo State, you fit find the person inside Edo State.
My people, my name never change. My name na Nima Shagumo. Na me be the talkie for T Live. On top of government matter today, as she don explain wetin Edo jobs be, we will come begin dey follow Madam Uki. They relate onto many ogbonge job matter, the one wey dey make way for we state. Madam Uki, when we state governor, when he dey campaign say he wan come power, he dey talk say dem go try create 200,000 jobs. Now this 200,000 jobs, if you say na you make we put onto job matter as SSA to be governor, you fit give us wetin oyinbo dey call statistics. That na the number of the people wey be say una don create this job give and how far una don waka put onto this job creation matter.
Okay, so for the job creation matter, plenty activities don't happen. For example, we dey make sure say the job wey we dey create no be for only inside government organization. We dey make sure say government dey recruit. I sure say many people don't hear of the civil service recruitment where they go on right now. Government dey recruit, but we want make sure say when private organizations dey recruit, and that one don dey happen well. Private organizations want recruit, they come Edo jobs, come get candidates. Now for Edo North, Edo Central, we want make sure say all these opportunities say they spread well. But one major thing wey people know they see or maybe they don't know say Edo jobs they do, na im be say we dey create entrepreneurs. So entrepreneur na the person wey dey do your own business, na im be your own boss, na im be your own oga. So to create entrepreneurs, the main thing be say we dey work with individuals wey wan start their own business. Even if say you never know the business wey you want to, we go train you, we go help you find out the thing wey you fit do well, give you the skill, and you fit start your business. So if you wan count all the program wey government don do, we don create jobs in the last 1.5 years, we don we don waka past 30,000 jobs.
Onto this job matter, na we still dey so. e get many job vacancy wey una don do advert on top radio, on top newspaper, many things. See edo jobs dey say make dey come work, make dey come work. Abeg wan make you help us throway better light put on top this one.
Okay. Now, like you don talk am, many jobs dey, many opportunities dey. If you wan work, you wan start your business. But one thing wey people no know, everybody suppose know say the governor wey we get now, Mr. Governor, he no believe in something wey people no go fit see am. They call am transparency. So for Edo jobs now, say you wan see me for road, you wan give me your CV, make I give you job. E no dey work like that now. Everything na opudential. If you go the Edo jobs portal, you go see all the programs wey dey, the one wey wan start, the one wey don start, the one wey go soon start. Na you by yourself go take your hand say na this one I wan do. But na application. So you dey apply. If to say maybe now, as we dey sit down for here today, people dey where they do photography program, where they wan go into photography. Some people dey they do makeup. Some people dey then they do laptop repair and GSM repair. Now these people, na them take their hand by themselves, go there, go say I wan do this one. But the thing be say, if to say we wan do a particular program for like 200 people, if it be say 2,000 people go apply. So na the partner go come sit down, select those wey dey very serious. That one mean say you no go apply for one thing, sit down for house, say I don apply for those now, make dem come give me this thing. You go dey apply, you go dey improve yourself, you go dey try to see the one wey go fit you. And the key thing be say programs dey, when you dey apply for program, e good make you check the location. The location dey there. So you go apply for the one wey dey around you, wey go dey relevant for you. If you apply for that one, you go wait. You go get message say, okay, so day na im be the interview for this job, or so day na im be the interview for this program. When they don do the interview finish, then those wey dey selected, they go come call them, they go come resume. So that na the process now. No be say you go sit down for house, say I don register. Person go come meet me, tell me say na this one. No, you go need to dey check, to dey know wetin dey go on. That's why we dey always dey on radio, everywhere they announce say this thing dey happen, or this thing dey happen. Or so you go, make you go apply, make sure say your name dey among those wey don apply to participate.
Abeg, you fit explain the process of this application?
Okay.
Because many people go dey hear you as you dey talk now. How dem fit take apply for all these ogbonge opportunities?
So the way the thing dey work, we wan make sure say everybody fit use am. So e get wetin we dey call the Edo Jobs portal, where you go the internet, you go do edojobs.edostate.gov.ng, but no be everybody fit use the internet. So wetin we don do, we don train people wey we dey call Edo jobbers. Then dey for every local government from this week. These Edo jobbers, then dey for every local government. Then they help people do two things. Number one, they go help you register for Edo jobs if you say you never register. Number two thing wey they go do for you, if you get program where you wan participate in, you go there, tell them say I wan participate for this program, they go help you. Very soon we go also release another way where you fit apply through SMS. So that one, you don't need any internet, you don't need data, you don't need anything. You wan apply, you use SMS to apply. And when that one too, when time still reach for that one, we go still tell everybody say the SMS one don dey available. But so different ways still dey. You fit call Edo Jobs, you fit send Edo Jobs email if you hear something say this thing dey happen. Because one thing wey we dey tell everybody be say Edo Jobs na for everybody, no be for some people. So make sure say you know wetin dey happen and you dey reach out to us in one way or other, whether by phone, whether by email, whether on the email address, or through the Edo jobbers face to face where you see for your local government. Anyway, make sure say you reach us and make sure say we know wetin you dey find for the portal.
My people for house, no we take shekele break. When we come back, we dey ask Madam Uki about many ogbonge entrepreneurship program wey they don be put for ground for we state. If una just dey join us, na on top the government matter na im we be put for T-Live Media, and we get ogbonge person for we studio, that na Madam Uki, where we begin dey relate about many matter, the one wey dey suburb for we state unto job matter. Madam Uki, unto many entrepreneurship program wey una don do, una e get one wey una be put sometimes ago with First Bank, where una carry many entrepreneur dem, make they come stand for here, make they come learn many things, and ogbonge people make we put so they come train them. Our question now be this: say after this training wey una do for them, e get plan wey first bank get to take help these people on top money matter and also wetin oyinbo dey call mentorship, that na to dey help them to make their business dey waka.
Excellent. So now this program wey we do with First Bank, first of all, na mentorship program, and we wan thank our governor very well for that program, because na him go tell them say make dem come do something for Edo State indigenes and Edo State residents, people wey dey for Edo State, wey be Edo jobbers. Now, the First Bank program wey we don do na to help the entrepreneurs make dem become more aware of finance, how they fit manage their business, and that one don born plenty pikin wey things wey First Bank dey help, dey support us to do. I don talk say we dey do program for people wey wan do photography, wey wan do makeup, people wey wan do solar power installation. Na that partnership wey the chairman of First Bank Nigeria come Edo State, na him born all these things so, and na dem dey support us for these programs. Secondly, when e reach money matter, the thing wey they don do for us through their partner, their own partner AGDC, be say they don do training to help people wey wan get small loan for their business from Bank of Industry. You know say every day we dey hear say Bank of Industry get how many billion for entrepreneur, the other billion for entrepreneur, people no dey apply, or people wey dey apply they no dey get the money because they know they do am very well. So they don do training for entrepreneur and they wan do another one. So through AGDC, Edo jobbers, people wey dey for Edo jobs, people wey dey for Edo State, they don train them to how they wan apply for loan. And then when they apply for loan, you no go just apply for the loan waka go as anybody. They go take everybody application, say these are the people from Edo State, they go help to process the application, so that money wey you need, wey you wan take start your business, you fit get am. So we dey very grateful to AGDC, we dey very grateful to the chairman of First Bank, and most importantly to our governor, because na the work wey he do, na him bring all these people wey don come. So also, when we don do all these programs, say all these people they don learn all these things wey dem dey do, one very important one wey we wan do with First Bank, wey go cut across every single local government for our state, na the agency banking program. Now for that one, person like you and me wey no be banker, we no fit work for bank, we go come own our own small bank. So now that the best way I fit describe am, because as an agent, you go dey do banking transaction for people wey no get access to the bank. You know say some places dey where bank no dey close by. Now you go dey work with the bank to provide those services to the people wey dey there, and dem go dey pay you. And we wan make sure we get at least 500 people on top that program in the next 2 to 3 weeks. So make I use this opportunity to tell people, say go there, do jobs portal, people don dey apply to participate for that bank agent program. Go there, do jobs portal, make you apply, make you put your name, everything, so that when time don reach to select the people, at least you go dey among.
Abeg, Madam Uki, now una don get many ogbonge entrepreneurship program wey don be put for ground, and we state governor e talk about 200,000 jobs. Una talk about the one wey una wan make entrepreneurs dem make dey merge with una, make dey take do. How all these things, how e don take help the vision of the state governor on top the 200,000 jobs wey say e wan create?
Okay, so the one wey we don do for this entrepreneur, I like that one wey you ask me now, make I start from there. The entrepreneurs wey we wan partner with. So we dey talk say entrepreneurs dey Edo State, e get people wey dey do good things, wey if your business grow, e fit create plenty jobs for your community. We no wan say make we just dey, government no wan say government no go become entrepreneur na una dey create the jobs. Our own na to support you, encourage you, make sure say you grow. So we wan work with people wey we know say if we look at your business fit create plenty job for your community. We don do that one. Many people don send in details about their business, say this na the business wey I dey do, this na wetin I dey do for my house, this na wetin I dey do for my shop, na this one I dey do for this other side, na this one I dey do for this village. And now we dey collate all of them together. We go come sieve the best, the ones wey we wan work on. Say these entrepreneurs, we go work with them directly, and by supporting them, we go create jobs. So you ask me, say how all this one come fit into the vision? So when our governor dey talk say he wan create 200,000 jobs, you know wetin he dey talk? Say in this modern day and time, if government do wetin they dey call leverage on private sector, public sector, and you put all the right innovation, entrepreneurship, you put everything together, you fit grow the economy. So all the one wey dey happen, say industrial park dey come, seaport dey come, all those things dey come. When you put all those things together, na towards that vision, say Edo State go better and we go get over 200,000 jobs, a minimum of 200,000 jobs.
Madam Uke.
Yes.
On top we Libya returning people, then that are people wey go obodo wey come back. Many rehabilitation plan wey the government don do and all that. But whenever they come back, they go say they won't put them for job, they won't put them for job. As e be say na una dey on top job matter, wetin be the plans wey una get for these people to take engage them for we state?
Okay, so the main thing for the returnees be say we wan make sure say they no come back come say nothing dey happen for this side, make I just kukuma, because the life wey they don see for that side e no good at all at all at all. So the plans be say we dey work with the task force, as everybody knows say we don Edo State get im own task force against human trafficking. So as the returnees come back, people wey dey welcome them back, wey dey register them, everything na the Edo State task force against human trafficking. But for the skills development and Edo jobs, I wan be say how we wan take reintegrate them. So wetin we dey do for them be say we dey offer them training. Some of them don get skill before they go already. So for this skill, how we fit support them, how we fit make sure say okay, you don get training, wetin you wan do next. And we thank God say a lot of partners already wan help us. Like now as we dey here, we get some wey dey do computer training. We get different training wey dem dey do. But the idea be say no go just stop for training. After training, how they wan take set up themselves, how they, but you see the thing be say, like I don talk am, Edo jobs na for everybody. So whether you be returnee o, you be regular person wey be graduate o, you no go school o, e no matter, anyone wey you be, Edo jobs na for you. So and na the same thing we dey offer everybody. How you wan take develop yourself so you fit grab the opportunity wey dey available. That one na our own work.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Madam Uke, before we tell you say may you come tell us bye bye for we studio, you get the people wey dey call the Edo jobbers. A lot of people they will be say they feel one benefit, they won't turn to these people. You fit help us explain how they fit be this Edo jobbers then?
Okay, to be Edo jobber na big deal o, because it means say you don key in to the plans and the place where Edo State dey go. But you get one big trait where all Edo jobbers get. Edo jobbers get drive. That thing wey they call drive be say you no fit sit down for one place say I dey wait make person come do one thing for me. You yourself dey you dey hardworking, you dey do things, positive things. So if you wan become an Edo jobber, e dey very simple. Number one, register for Edo jobs. Register. If you never register, remember say the portal na edojobs.edostate.gov.ng. Now we go begin send message everywhere, because the registration don start for every local government. And please make I use opportunity. Anybody wey tell you say make you bring money to register for Edo jobs na thief. Anybody wey tell you say if you want to apply for job, I wan help you apply for job, bring 10 kobo. Just help us collect the number, make you send us email. Our email na feedback@edojobs.org, or send us text message. Everything, you go see our number for the screen. Please, everything wey dey for Edo jobs na the thing wey our governor dey do for people in the state. So no let anybody cheat you, say bring money come apply, I fit help you for one corner. Nothing like that. So if you wan become Edo jobber, you go register online, you go register through the Edo jobber people, or just call us. We go give you all the information wey you need. Once you register on the portal, no stop there. Remember I talk say one thing wey all Edo jobbers get in common be say then they move, they know they wait. So you go there, you go look for opportunities wey dey available, you go apply, you go tell other people say see wetin dey happen for Edo jobs o. If you dey social media, follow us on our social media pages at Edo jobs. When you dey there, you be the first person to know when something dey happen. You don become Edo jobber be that, and opportunities dey come like that step by step.
Thank you, Madam Uke.
Thank you.
Thank you, say you come.
Thank you.
My people for your house, now here we see the Tory reach on top job matter for we state as we follow the senior special assistant to the state governor Ukinebo Dare talk on top many job opportunity, the one wey be there for we state. She don talk am, she don explain am with her mouth say job brekete put for Edo State, Make una no legbere, make una no sleep, make una begin dey carry una leg and una hand dey waka well well. Edo State dey waka, make una follow am waka.
To enjoy more of this video, subscribe, like, and comment on top our YouTube channel. Sharply, sharply.